All right, fifth graders, you've had some practice with action verbs. Let's go through and see how you did. So you are to circle or highlight the action verb in each sentence. I'm going to go ahead and highlight. You may have circled them. Let's see how many you have correct. Number 1, Sal listens to his favorite song. Sal is our subject. What does he do? He listens. Listens is the action verb. Number 2, Craig hits the baseball over the fence. What does Craig do? He hits. Number 3, the little pig grunts. Pig is our subject. What does the pig do? He grunts. The roof of the house leaks. We're talking about the roof. The roof leaks. That's what it does. The hunter searches for a deer. Hunter is our subject. Searches is our action verb. It's what the hunter does. Dr. Gold examines his patient. Examines is the action verb. The bluebird in the tree sings beautifully. What does the bluebird do? It sings. The football team dashes out of the locker room. What does the team do? They dash. Dashes. Paul reads The Adventures of Tom Sawyer. What does Paul do? Paul reads. Reads is your action verb. Mrs. Gray buys a roll of paper towels at the store. Mrs. Gray is our subject. What does she do? She buys. Number 11, Judy solves the mystery. Judy is our subject. Solves is the action. And finally, number 12, Harold finds a purple crayon. What does Harold do? He finds. These are all action verbs. Now, as a part of your practice, I asked you to review action verbs and nouns. So we're going to take a look at some action verbs and some nouns. We're going to see which ones are verbs and which are nouns. Remember, your noun is your person, place, or thing. Your action is something you do. So swims is an action. It should be an action verb. Thinks is also an action. Sneezes, that's something you do. It's an action verb. Clock. A clock is a thing. A clock is a noun. Your tooth is also a noun. It's something. Drives. Drives is something you do. It's an action. Takes is also an action. Basketball is a noun. It's something you do, but it's not the action of doing it. Plays is the action. So maybe he plays basketball. Plays is the action. Relaxes, that's an action. It's something you can do. Grass is a noun. A game is a noun. And writes is an action. It's something you do. All right, good luck on your quiz this week.